Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to zoom out in PC using simple keyboard and mouse shortcuts so you can easily adjust your screen view for better visibility. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the app, browser, or document where you want to zoom out. This can be a web page, Word file, PDF, or any program where the content appears too large on your screen. Step 2. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. The Ctrl key is usually located at the bottom left and bottom right corners of your keyboard and is used for many useful shortcuts. Step 3. While holding the Ctrl key, press the minus key to zoom out. This reduces the size of text, images, and other content on your screen so you can see more at once. Step 4. Repeat pressing Ctrl plus minus until you reach your desired zoom level. You can adjust it step by step to make the content comfortable for reading or viewing. Step 5. If you want to return to the original size, press Ctrl plus 0 on your keyboard to reset the zoom level to default. This quickly brings everything back to its normal view. Method 2. Step 1. Open your web browser or any supported application where you want to zoom out. Make sure the window is active by clicking on it. Step 2. Press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. This key works together with the mouse wheel to control zoom settings. Step 3. Scroll down using your mouse wheel while holding the Ctrl key to zoom out gradually. This method allows you to smoothly decrease the size of the content until it looks just right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.